All right, everyone, a quick update on BONK. So we're still watching BONK inside this very bullish ascending triangle pattern here. Now, I did end up drawing a new green line on the chart. This is going from the low to that wick high here. That is your 382 retracement support level here. So I would say as long as you stay above about 4025, you're currently at 274, then you're still inside this pattern here, and we're going to grind our way into the apex of this pattern here. Of course, if we end up wicking below it or going below it, we can adjust for the situation, of course, because as you can see, we did drop down below it here and here, but then ultimately we got bought back up. So I'm still liking what I see on BONK here. This thing's extremely bullish. In my opinion, over the next 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks is the only time you have left to get in on BONK before this thing gets squeezed to the upside here. Now, we are looking on the weekly charts, and these weekly patterns that form that are bullish usually play out and they run really hard. So I am looking for BONK. Once we get back up to and inside the red box here, we're going to just simply measure this going from where we are right now. Of course, like I said, it could drop down. So if we go up 30% and then even up to the 1618 at 4042, that is a 50% move. I think the moment we get over 42 at the 1618, at that point it's pretty much too late, because that's the point to where this thing's going to break out, have a giant green candle spawn in. And I know it's high, but my next target for BONK, you can see here on the side, is a 1280% move, which would give you almost a 14x all the way up to a $24 billion market cap, up to the 2272 at 3083. Of course, it could stop anywhere in between here, but the point I'm trying to make here is that out of this very bullish macro pattern, this thing is going to have a massive run to the upside over the next, at most, like I've been saying, a month, maybe. But as of right now, the momentum is clearly down. We can see that with the weekly stock RSI, the candles, of course. But ultimately, it is still making the higher highs, or the higher lows, rather, and then it's getting stuck at this red box. This red box just pretty much represents the places and this general area where the price is getting stuck. We've seen this time and time again. We covered this on a smaller time frame on Caspa, Arrow, and every time I've seen this pattern, it plays out very strongly to the upside here. So that is the point in the BONK update here. Just letting you guys know that if it stays above here and stays in this pattern, it's only a matter of time before we take off here. So just watch the 2.5 level, and then potentially once we get back up into this box and then we break out over 4.2, I think BONK is going to start flying at that point. So what are your thoughts on BONK at this point? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.